Some of the issues that actually we feel that needed to be covered and now which have been fully covered include issues like online exploitation and abuse of children, issues of radicalization of children, intersex issue has been mentioned in terms of also alternative and family-based care for children. We prefer now our children to be cared for in homes and within communities and within a family, much as we know also the good work that institutions are doing. But this is in line with a global shift of a care reform, where even the United Nations General Assembly in its resolutions has advised states that they should be strengthening families. Part of the other gains within the Act, there will be a children welfare fund that will be created by the CS Treasury. That's also intended to help children with vulnerabilities as much as possible. In our public participations, we were actually in tears when we had the ordeals that people who are intersex undergo through. Because imagine a situation where somebody had been identified with the name of a man, then over the years, as maturity has come in, the female component of the person became more dominant. What name will that person be carrying? How does the person carry two names? What will appear on the certificate? When they even approached employers, there were real problems because people even will not trust them. Here comes a bearded young man, but in the certificates and the degree award and everything that the person had gone through, they carried the name of a female. In terms of what our institution is doing, already the incorporation and the provision for children who are intersex in this Act was part of the initiatives that the Council was doing since the Council was leading the process of development of the Act. And as I have earlier said, issues of policies, legislations, regulatory regulations, and government advisory was right under our, as a function of our Council. We still wish to see the best we can in order to ensure that we further that all possible is